Hello, beautiful people. So, what happened is you probably follow me also on my Facebook account and my personal Facebook account. And if you do, I share a lot about different situations that involve animal cruelty, sustainable agriculture, recycling, things that are impacting our environment, are impacting how we treat other human beings, and also how we try to protect the planet that we have. And so time is running out, and for years I've been wondering how we can contribute more, how I can make a difference. And the main question always came back is how my individual actions and decisions will impact, to save the planet. I have my little friend here. Will impact and contribute in order to save the planet. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. Speaking with a lot of people, we are feeling hopeless and helpless, and we really wonder how one individual can actually make a difference. I've been reflecting on that and brainstorming and trying to share information about the different situations just so people can be more aware. So basically, raising and bringing awareness on the current system, the current food system, mostly because I am a coach in nutrition, right? So obviously I'm interested in more of the agricultural and the treatment of animals in the process of that food system. I was really thinking how, besides sharing information, and sometimes it's not fun information, right? It's images and videos that are heartbreaking. It's so hard, and I watch these videos and I'm crying for the rest of the day. And I was trying to figure out a way of how we can contribute and make a difference without inflicting all this guilt on our shoulders and crying for hours. I came up with a program. It's basically a monthly membership where people can gather and share. And as a nutrition and health coach, I give you a different topic and different recipes of how we can make wiser food choices in order to contribute to saving the planet. So basically, it's not about becoming vegetarian or vegan right away. If this is what you want, good. But it's not about asking people to do that shift. It's really to start where you are, work with your values, and do what you can do daily. And that is powerful, because all the small actions and decisions we make daily, those are the ones who will have a huge ripple effect in the near future. And so Save the Planet one recipe at a time is basically about creating a community in which you feel safe and respected, where you can share your own information as well, and your own thoughts and your own reality. I present different topics, and based on that topic, I suggest and I recommend new ways of shifting your nutrition, shifting your lifestyle, shifting your way of doing things, maybe changing also, substituting to another ingredient, another food. And then I give you 2 recipes weekly also, to introduce these new ingredients and making these changes and these shift in your kitchen, with your kids, with your loved ones. And eventually we're going to influence and improve in a very positive way the food system. And so Save the Planet one recipe at a time is really, really about empowering you guys so that we don't stay in the guilty zone of shit, like, what can I do? I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I can make a difference. You can make a difference. And by creating these links and this community, I think it's going to be even more influential in terms of the impact. And it's just going to create that ripple effect that we want, right? And the bigger the waves that we create, well, the bigger the changes are going to happen, and the faster they're going to happen. So it's not about going from black to white from one day. I just want you to get empowered and more knowledgeable about the different foods and the different ingredients that we commonly use and that are negatively impacting our environment, that are destroying our planet, that are affecting the treatment of animals. And so this is why I created that program. And the most important part, I think, to me, is for every monthly membership that is signing up, I am giving a portion of your fee to organizations that are already currently acting and making a difference in the field. in order to save our planet. So fighting animal cruelty, fighting pesticides, protecting the tropical forest. It's really the most added value of the program is that you're not only going to contribute with your daily actions, you will also contribute financially, monthly, to support these organizations that are working really, really hard. So there you go. I don't know if you guys have questions. Educating you guys with one topic weekly, a food or an ingredient, and then giving you 2 recipes of how you can integrate that food. Then slowly but surely every week you can make shifts and changes and like I said, positively impact the whole food system and the ecosystem and animal treatment. And it's just the most beautiful thing that can happen, in my opinion. You're getting so much value. It's running on an app. It's really accessible. And like I said, you have a community, a forum in which you can share your thoughts, your ideas, what you've tried and what worked and what didn't work. I'm very proud of that program. I'm super proud, and I want people to join, and I want people to feel proud about themselves too, because they will make a difference. So together we can all make a difference. And hopefully you appreciate the program. Please give me feedbacks. Please join the program. And I wish you a very nice day. Mwah.